Your business is under pressure. Your customers demand even shorter lead times and exceptional levels of quality. Your manufacturing engineers and CAM programmers need tools that can be relied upon to feed your CNC machines with high quality NC code. You know that every second spent waiting for a software progress bar to complete or for a toolpath to finish processing is time and money your business can ill afford to waste. Built on more than 40 years of manufacturing expertise, Autodesk PowerMill includes some of the world's most efficient algorithms to ensure rapid creation of NC code. From its conception, PowerMill has focused on creating exceptional toolpaths as fast as possible. If you manufacture extremely large or complex molds, you need a CAM system that can generate high quality toolpaths. If you constantly machine large, disorganized STL meshes, you need CAM software that can handle the vast amount of data without crashing. If you use 5-axis programming, you need CAM software with the tools to allow you to get the best performance from your CNC machine. PowerMill uses 64-bit and multi-core technology to create NC code faster than ever. Background processing allows toolpaths to be calculated whilst you continue to work on other areas of your part. But speed is nothing unless the end results are safe and reliable. PowerMill continuously checks for collisions or near misses during toolpath calculation. In these danger zones, PowerMill engages advanced collision avoidance algorithms to ensure the finished programs are safe and can be run without damaging your workpiece, fixture, cutting tool or CNC machine. When your toolpaths are finished, simulated, verified and optimized, PowerMill rapidly outputs NC code tailored to your specific machine. Even the most complex of 5-axis NC programs are post-processed in a matter of seconds, allowing you to start making chips sooner than ever.